Welcome back to the channel. Today I just want to do a quick room tour of what they call a wonderful suite, a studio suite at the W in South Beach. So here we go. So this is, as you're entering, the right side over here, you've got your air conditioning unit and your temperature controller. Nice painting right here, right in the entrance. And then we'll walk right in. So you actually have the bathroom right here on the left, which has a sliding door, which closes. And then on the right, you've got this sort of, all this cabinetry in this hallway and little mini kitchen type of thing. So in here, this closet, you've got an ironing board, a couple of hangers, too. So tons of storage room. So this is just the first of 3 closets. Then right here, we've got a pretty large mini fridge. It's fully stocked, of course. Everything is a ridiculous amount for purchase. Your sink, which is really nice actually. A couple more snacks and things like that. Little couples kit, relieve and revive kit, etc. Gummies and things like that. And an espresso machine with some Tazo tea and some pods. And then up here in this cabinet, we've got a microwave. All right, so let's go into the bathroom. Just got a shower right here on the right side. And if I just open the door, no rain shower or anything like that, but very nice. It does have these jets down here, and then obviously a handheld. The pressure is actually really, really good. In here we've got, that's not it, some mouthwash. We've got these Davines Momo line of body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. And okay, let's get out of here. And then of course, full length mirror, double vanity, some storage down there. Of course, your bathrobes. So it came with two in here, obviously being used. Double sink, very nice. Some mouthwash, face wash, body lotion, soap, just your usual. Couple of glasses. And then behind this door, we've got the lavatory, painting in there. All right, so that's that. Let's get out of the bathroom. And obviously we can just slide this door shut, like so. And then we'll walk into the main bedroom area. So this is the studio. We've got, a king size bed, which is very comfortable, very nice. 2 nightstands on either side, a really nice LED lights in the corner, an alarm clock. And this is basically the bathroom over here. And this little frosted glass bit is the shower, the other side of the shower. So, oh, I forgot to show these closets as we were walking out of the bathroom. So anyways, we showed the first closets, then you have your little kitchenette area. We've got more closets, more hangers. We've got a safe. We've got a steamer, in addition to the iron, which is cool. More closet space. And a third one, even more closet space. A couple of drawers down there. And then across the bed, we've got pretty large TV, a little desk, so you can, for getting some work done. Nice little wicker chair, garbage can. That's the for your luggage. And then a lot of mirrors. So got a mirror over there. Then obviously 2 mirrors right next to the bed. So that literally, you know, gives a good sense of space when you're in here. You've got a little jewelry box type of thing. Some more snacks that are for sale. They do give you like 2 water bottles every day. And of course some really nice liquor. Of course it's really expensive. Some chests. They're like a chest with 2 drawers. And then in this area, then you have the sitting area. So you've got a pretty large love seat over here. Marble topped table. And then these 2 couches or sofas. Actually, let me turn this light on. There's a light back here as well. Ooh. There we go. A cool little light, accent type of light that lights up the wall. Nice artwork right here. Looks like some lady just laying on the beach maybe. But yeah, very nice pastel sort of colors. The green, the pink, and we've got 2 coffee table books. So Andy Warhol portraits, 1958 to 1987, then Miami Beach. You know, just some photos and things. So really nice. And then a mirror up here. And then these are, you know, full glass window. And then these open up, so it's actually, I'm doing this at night, so you're not gonna have the best view. And we're on the 7th floor, if my room 720 wasn't heard. So we do have these blackout blinds up here, which are really nice. They're power, but I'll just back up a little bit so you can see what it looks like when you have both doors open. And so this particular room, we're at the front of the hotel. So basically we're right above the parking garage or the hotel lobby essentially. But yeah, so you've got 2 chairs out here with an ottoman. We have some clothes drying. But on the right, this is your view. Good view of the city. And on the left, that is where the ocean is. I'm not sure how much you'll be able to see. I'll zoom in. There's the beach, and there's the ocean. So really very nice view. And yep, we'll look down, and that's where the so that's basically the canopy for the hotel lobby where the valet is. And yeah, that's pretty much it. One thing to note is if you are sitting outside, since these are all just the banisters are glass, you can, there's not that much privacy. So like that individual over there has been coming out quite a bit, and I've seen them many times. And then if I look to my right, you can actually look, you know, directly into that room. So unless you have your privacy shades down, you know, that's potentially a little bit of an issue. But here we go. So this is the room from the balcony. And yeah, so this is called the wonderful 1-bedroom studio suite. Price ranges, it can go from about probably around $400 a night, you know, for at off peak sort of rates, to probably upwards about $700 to maybe even $750, $800 a night. So it's not the cheapest, but you know, you get a good amount for your money. It's definitely one of the prime properties in South Beach, and you know, it's sort of like one of the happening places out here. And yeah, just the view's pretty good. Makes it worth the price. But yeah, Unfortunately, can't see anything, but it's night. But yeah, just a really nice view of Miami. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hopefully this video is helpful. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.